Hello, it's Dimple extending a hearty welcome to you all to your favorite program, Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
In today's news section, we have an exclusive status report in ongoing 4-lane work between Surathkal and Nantur. And in our entertainment program, we have a Hindi song from Golden Oldies Melody Night, a Konkani song by Junior Rajkumar and Tulu song from super hit album Moke da Magal. News in detail. The much awaited and need 4-lane work between Surathkal and Nantur have been going on in snail's pace. Ever since the work is commenced some 1.5 years ago, commuters have been facing problems in many ways. Now that another monsoon is on the threshold, people are forcing another troublesome season. The road work is not yet over. Though the implementing agency IRCON had promised to clear the road by the end of May for traffic, present status clearly indicates that it will not be done at all. Daijiworld will today bring you an exclusive status report about this ambitious project. The pending works of widening the national highway between Surathkal and BC Road have created new challenges for the residents along the national highway and regular commuters who traverse the stretch. The pending works are especially a headache as the rainy season is fast approaching. Even though the 4-lane work was progressed speedily between Surathkal and Nantur for the past few months, the IRCON company has not been successful in completing it. Prashant Gavsane, director of this project, has assured the public of completing the work between Nantur and Surathkal by May end, but he has failed to keep his promise. Totem Company, which has taken the subcontract of this project, has not completed the work fully on any stretch. The locals and the travellers have become victims of their lethargic way of working. The people are already tired of consuming huge quantity of dust. The rainy season will create further problems as the work has been finished abruptly in many places between Surathkal and Nantur. The contractors have poured loads of soil along the highway between Nantur and Surathkal. Meanwhile, in many places the edges have been laid with soil which is bound to be washed away with heavy showers. Finally, the soil will trickle away to the fields located at the end of slopey sides of the highway. It may be recalled that the residents of Adyar, Nantur and Farangipet had faced similar problems 2 years ago when rains began suddenly. The contractors need to stop the work when it begins to rain. Only flyover work would be continued during rainy season as rain does not affect concreting work. Therefore, the 4-lane work will be delayed even further. Though the 4-lane work is incomplete in many places, the authorities have not put any barricades or dividers to show the right route to the drivers. Therefore, confusion arises in the minds of the drivers in every step and the situation is much more pathetic during night time. Driving a vehicle would be more challenging during rainy season. Moreover, the express buses plying between Udupi and Mangalore are proving dangerous as they have to reach within the specified time. Traffic jams for hours on the road have also become a common feature nowadays. As per contract, the contractors had to finish the work last December. 5 months have passed since then, but they have not been able to finish even half of the work properly. The snail's pace at which the work is moving is an indication that the hapless residents may have to wait for some more months before the work is over. The only thing they can do is get ready to face another troublesome rainy season. As you have seen, the present pace of work will surely not benefit anyone. The recent news is that IRCON has made a request with the Deputy Commissioner to block the national highway between Surathkal and Panambur for 1 full week and divert the traffic. If Deputy Commissioner agrees for this, heavy vehicles such as buses and lorries etc. will be barred from plying on this route for the next 1 week. As of now, let's keep our fingers crossed and wait for the next move. With this, it is time for me to move on into our entertainment bash. Today we have some superb stuff for you buffs in our entertainment bash. But before plunging into the world of music and masti, let's take a short commercial break. I will be back in a few moments, so stay tuned.
Apurva for Aptland.
Inland builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496110.